Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to turn your photo to become a super cool street art, and here we will use the CapCut. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well, guys, the first step you can do, you can access this CapCut first, and also don't forget to do the installation process. And here I am accessing it with my Android phone. And don't worry, because this CapCut can be also installed into your iOS phone too, and also the PC or even the tab. And also don't forget to do the login first with your email to get more chances and also the facility to try a lot of tool over here. And since we would like to transform or turning the photo, so here I will use the template here, and after that you can searching for the street art template like this. But if you don't find this template, don't worry, you can simply find it out from the searching section, and you can click the street art here, and after that you can select this option. As you can see, this will be the preview before and after using the prompt. And also initially that this template will give you 5 chances to generate the image into this cool art, street art. And here let's say the credit that I have now, I have 4 chances to change the picture. And after that you can continue to click use template here, and after that you can start to select the picture from your gallery to do the experiment. For example, I will choose this one, and you can continue to click next down here. And after that, kindly wait for this CapCut to generate every single detail and effect, so the picture can be transformed into the cool street art. And if you would like to do something while waiting for the output, you can click minimize here. And don't worry, because the output will not be removed or gone anyway. But don't worry guys, I will also show you the output that I have done before. So after waiting for the generation process maybe 1 minute, so the result will be like this, guys. As you can see, for the previous guy will be the selfie photo like this, and after the applying the effect, so this guy will change the position, and this selfie picture can be shown or portrayed into this cool street art like this. Isn't that cool, right? So if you would like to save this animation or this transformation, you can click export here, and you can click export this, and after that the picture will be officially saved into your gallery. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel to watch more another tutorial videos. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.